A small estate affidavit is a written document that can be used to transfer assets from a deceased person's estate. There are special rules of transfer for small estates, which in Arizona are estates worth less than $75,000 and real estate worth less than $100,000. In this video, we'll talk about how a small estate affidavit works, what Arizona law says about small estates, how you can use an affidavit to recover assets, and more. Be sure to watch to the end of this video to find a link to a fillable small estate affidavit that you can use in Arizona. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can access our videos, which simplify and break down complex legal matters. So first, let's talk about how a small estate affidavit works. A small estate affidavit allows you to bypass probate, which is a process that costs a lot of time and money. If you're seeking assets from an estate that's considered small in the eyes of Arizona law, you can use a simple form to do this. This means you can avoid going to court. Different states have different laws governing how small estates are defined and administered. So what does Arizona law say? First, if you're seeking personal property, this does not include real estate. You'll have to wait 30 days until after the death to do anything. For real estate, you'll have to wait 6 months. The law also says no assets can be distributed until funeral expenses, medical bills, and taxes have been paid. If your loved one recently passed away in Arizona, there are 4 steps that you can take to recover his or her assets after you've waited the time period prescribed by law. The first is to make a list of all property in the estate, which indicates the assessed value of each item. For help determining the value of real estate, you can check with the assessor's office in the county where the property is located. You should also determine whether there are any liens or debts against the estate, as these must be paid before any assets can be distributed. The next step is to download our small estate affidavit form, fill it out, sign it, and have it notarized. You'll also need to obtain a copy of the death certificate. The affidavit will allow you to collect the assets. In Arizona, if the deceased person left a will, the document will enable the distribution of assets outlined in the will. If there is no will, the assets will be distributed to a surviving spouse, child, parent, or sibling in that order. If you're seeking personal property, you don't have to file anything with the court. You can just give the form to the institution or person holding the asset, such as a bank or stockbroker. But if you're using the form to collect real estate, you should submit it to a probate court in the county where the decedent lived. If you need an Arizona small estate affidavit template or any other form you'll need to take care of estate-related matters, we have the world's largest database of fillable legal documents, and we are here to help.